Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram, and today we have a new job update from Accenture company. The job update is for all the freshers graduate who want to start their career from a multinational company like Accenture. They can apply for this role. Location they have specifically mentioned here, it's a Bengaluru location and it is a full-time role as well. Before apply to this job, you must create a profile in Accenture, and also you need to create a resume with the desirable skills which they have mentioned in the job description. So let's discuss about the job description. Here the job profile is customer service new associate query management. It's a non-technical job. You might need to face some technical issues as well, so the company will train you as per the requirements, so there will be no issues. Any graduate can apply for this role. Here they have provided all the details about the Accenture. You can get it from here, and here also you can find the apply now button. Here, as it is a fresher role, they did not mention any key responsibility points in job description, because if you are hired for this role, at first they will train you as per the requirement, and after that they will provide you the proper day responsibilities to complete the task in the project. So based on the requirement, they might train you in technical or non-technical support as a service desk associate. Your verbal and non-verbal communication should be very good so that you can communicate with the client. Your reporting skills should be very good as well. If you have any certifications on that or if you have any experience on customer support, customer service, query management or service desk, that will be a plus for this role. So this is all about the job update. Here they have provided some basic points which you can mention in your resume in the skills section, which is adaptable and flexible, ability to perform under pressure, problem solving skills, ability to establish strong client relationship, team worker, positive attitude, good learner, punctual and disciplined, good communication skill, customer focused. So these all are the key points which they are looking for in your resume. So you can mention these all in your resume. That will be better, so that the recruiter will select your resume and they will ask you for the interview. So that's all about the job update, and it is recommended that you have to read the overall job description before apply to this role, and please configure your resume and cover letter based on the job description. Okay, so if you are interested for this role, you can check the description area. There I will provide you the apply link. You just need to click on the link, open the page which I am showing now in the video, and then you have to read everything. After that you can click on the apply now button. It will ask you to create a profile in Accenture career portal. You have to create it, and after that you can attach your resume, add your qualification and details, and you can submit the form to apply for this role. If there is any query, any doubt regarding the job, you can comment below, or you can DM me on Instagram so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.